Hello guys, this is Master J and welcome to my YouTube channel. Our lesson for today is about the proper execution of kicks. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below and press like. Before you start, make a triangle at the floor as your guide. This will help you perform a correct stances when doing a technique. It is very important to learn these steps so that you will gain balance. This is the correct way of doing the shoulder tap drills. This drill is a combination of strike and block. Next lesson is the temple tap. The purpose of this drill is to protect your head against the surprise attack to the head, especially to the temple. Place your palm at the side of your head, especially at the temple, so that you can protect your face from any attack. Next lesson is the proper way of delivering a kick. First technique is the sipa or 45-degree roundhouse kick. But before we proceed, we do the knee-high exercise. Each kicks have the same movement of legs. In these drills, twist your left leg knee-high and extend your leg at the floor by turning 190 degrees of your left leg. This is the correct way of doing a 45-degree kick or sipa. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to position. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, clip, 3, 4, 5. Atubag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Ready? Sige. Go. Go. Gini na sa. Sige.